Alright y'all, so today I wanted to give you guys my holiday inspired makeup look, and this is just like a soft glam look. You know, the New Year's is approaching, so I had to give you guys this, okay? So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyes with my Juvia Place concealer, and everything that I'm using will be listed below in the description box. But I'm going ahead and, you know, just priming my eyes, and then with my Laura Mercier setting powder, I'm just gonna go ahead, place that over the concealer so I can have a nice base to start, because today we are using a little bit of colors. So with my James Charles palette, I'm gonna go ahead and use that brown color I just showed you guys, and I'm gonna put that above my crease, and this is just gonna be my transition color. This look is gonna be super simple because I'm not using matte colors. Now with that darker brown next to the color, I'm gonna put this inside of my crease just to give it some depth, and I'm gonna smoke that out, okay? We just blend in, period. Now I'm gonna cut my crease. I love cutting my crease. I've cut my crease so many times on my channel. I feel like I kind of show it the easiest way possible. I feel like cutting creases is like very simplistic at this point. But if you guys did want a tutorial on how I achieve it, like the easiest way to do it, I definitely got you guys. So with that white, you know, cream color, I'm just gonna place that over the concealer, over what I cut. Then I'm gonna go in with that first light brown that we had used and just, you know, smoke out the edges. And then here I'm just doing my cat eye. This makeup tutorial was honestly super quick. Like, I'm not wasting no time, y'all. It's late as heck. I just got off of work. Like, shout out to me for being productive. But yeah, so after I do my cat eyes, these are right now my favorite lashes right now. These are my favorite lashes. It will be down below in the description box, like, baby. And if you want to purchase from my girl, make sure you use my promo code Team Stacie and you'll get 15% off your purchase. Literally, these lashes took my look from like, this is cute, to bad bitches only, okay? Yeah, so I would definitely be linking, you know, these lashes in my description box below. But now I'm going ahead with my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. Y'all know this is my favorite foundation. Oh my gosh, y'all. But I have to prime my face with my, you know, NYX Hydrating, you know, y'all, I'm so sleepy. I can't even do this voiceover right. But I'm going ahead, you know, just, you know, moisturizing my skin with that hydrating primer. That's what I was trying to say. I'm priming my face right now. Then with the foundation, I'm going to go ahead and blend that and then just pat that into my skin. You know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. Now I'm going in with my concealer yet again, and I'm just going to highlight under my eyes. I've been a little bit more heavy-handed with my concealer just because I like the look it gave me. I feel like I look like a Barbie. Like, this concealer is pretty full coverage, and it's like I just did a way bigger triangle than I usually do. Just a little bit more heavy-handed with the product because I wanted to get this flawless look. You know, just for the holidays, I feel like you want to bring it in feeling good. Like, when you look good, you feel good. And I just wanted to be extra. And I feel like for the New Year's, being extra is not even being extra, okay? Be you to the fullest. And that's just that on that, sweetie, okay? So yeah, guys, I'm just blending it in, and I really feel like I look like a Barbie. Like, I feel like this look is so cute. Alright, y'all, so after I had my little hood nigga phase, I'm just baking with my Laura Mercier setting powder. Same setting powder I put, you know, on my lids in the beginning. But I'm just going ahead and just setting, you know, the concealer so we don't have any creasing going on. My favorite part of this look, contouring. I just love to add some warmth to my face. Like, this just, to me, this sets it off. Like, when I put that contour color on, I just look so snatched and I just look so bad. I just love contouring. Black Radiance, shout out to y'all. Like, in the near future, I want to work with Black Radiance. I'm gonna work with Black Radiance because their products are really it. And I'm gonna probably do a video just using all their products because it really is good. But with this is just my Juvia's Place. I believe this is called the Warrior Palette. Everything I'm using will be listed below. All right, and with the throwback glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm basically using every color in there and just giving myself a highlight. I emphasize on my nose highlight. I love having a crazy nose highlight. I just love it. It just draws attention to the center of my face. So with here, I'm using my favorite brown lip liner from the hair store, nothing crazy. And I'm just going ahead and lining my humongous Bratz doll lips. Like, I'm a real life Bratz doll, period, okay? But I'm just lining my lips, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take some red lipstick. This is from NYX. This is like their glossy color. And this just, boom, the look is like complete. I just look so good. So yes, guys, that's pretty much it. I was super happy when I was done because I look good. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm so happy to share, you know, this with you guys and welcoming 2020. So if you're new to my channel and you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, okay? I love you guys so much. Bye, guys.